Hi again, everyone. In the first video, we have learned on how to create a structure for an HTML web page. We start with doctype HTML to say this is HTML5 document, and then we have the HTML starting here and finishing with a forward slash. The tag then for heads starts here. We have the we have the head. Within the head we have the title, and then the body starts. The body have to start and finish, but the body doesn't finish here. The body has to finish after the footer, right? And within the body we have header, and we have section, we have article, and we have a site. These are container tags, sectioning tags to create sections within our documents, including footer tag. Okay, the importance of sectioning tags, we could actually get some ideas about sectioning tags, or known as semantic elements. If we search for W3 Schools and semantic elements, and with the semantic elements page here from W3 Schools, we can get ideas what else we can use. Semantic is a study of the meanings of words and phrases in a language. Semantic elements are elements with a meaning. So why is it important to use element with a meaning? Because the web browsing softwares and search engines are becoming quite intelligent, so they want to deal with tags that have meanings. A table is expected to include a table, article, form, yeah, these are meaningful. When we say div or span, it has no meanings, so to replace them with elements that gives meanings would be more useful. Yeah, so to have a footer, yeah, like this one, a header, aside, article, section, we could actually enclose all of those tags with a main tag. These are full of containers, but these are elements with meanings. It makes it better to deal with accessibility for search engines and web browsing softwares. Sectioning elements can be used to divide web pages into areas, like the navbar may go within the header, section, article, aside. Aside could be on the side or within the below article, above article. Yeah, but it's sort of an extra added section. Other semantic elements, sectioning elements, includes article, aside, details, fig, caption. I haven't used all of them. For example, I never used details, or figure. You could use footer, header, main, mark, nav, section, summary, and time, and you can research each of them further. Okay, so we have added the semantic element, the sectioning elements, into our web page. So what next? We need to put an actual text. I've got some text prepared, so I'm gonna open the document to save time. I think it's inside this folder, and I'm going to add this title into the heading, and also I'll use it as a heading within the document. It go within the title, and this title, it needs a closing tag. Head is containing title, the body is containing the header, and we have the main tag containing section, article, and aside, and below it we have the footer. That's how the page is structured. Okay, each sections, it needs For example, within the header, in this case, we will put a heading h1 tag, and we will insert a navigation, so we will put a nav and then after that, for example, within section we need h2, yeah, and also we need a paragraph tag, so we can include in all, that structure for all, but then add the actual heading or subheading and paragraph and images as necessary. So we'll copy this part into each of the sectioning tags. You could use identical section as different containers, but I just thought if we make them simpler, separate names, then when I show you how to do the CSS, it will be easier to actually select and format that section of a page. So we have heading and paragraph for each, for the aside, for the article, and for the section. That's how we have organized it. We'll put the actual heading let me pause the record. Paralympic medalists. Oh, sorry. Sometimes we think we are saving time with copy and pasting, and Jack Whitehall. And second, this is a paragraph just about Jack Whitehall, let's say. And next one is Ellie Simmons, so we put it within the paragraphs, and heading Ellie Simmons. I think I need one more content. Why can't I put aside twice? No problem. Or let's see which semantic tags shall we use that we haven't used. Okay, we can use aside twice, no problem. So the headings, okay, we will put the heading for Susie Rogers. And P. We'll check it how it looks so far. It's gonna be basic, at this stage, because we haven't put any CSS. Alright, why don't we check it? Run, launching Chrome. It's taking too long. Maybe we can go inside and check it ourselves. Go to the folder and right click, because I'm recording as well. I think the computer is struggling. Too many things I'm doing at the same time. It looks like both the Notepad++ and Chrome are not responding once I try to view it. So I've closed the page and I'm gonna open it using just simple Notepad, a little bit more simpler than Notepad++. If I browse and find it, but I need to change this from text file to all files, and then I'll find the page we're working on. So we have placed the doc type, HTML, and then after that we have the HTML, the heads. Within the head we have the title, and within the body we have the header. Within the header we have the h1 tag and the nav bar. The nav bar is empty at the moment, and we, after the header, we have the main section, but the main section includes section, article, as site. We have put two as sites, one for Ellie Siemens, another for Susie Rogers. How does this look? This page looks like this page. When we look at it at the moment, it looks like this. The text information with the heading, H1 and H2, sizes, and the paragraphs done. But it is the default tag, no formatting actually been applied to this page yet. Okay, so this is where we finish the second video. However, next we'll look at how to insert pictures, and also further things in the further videos. Thanks.